Alright, welcome back to another episode. Today's a workout video. Right now I'm warming up on the Stairmaster every Tuesday, and I'm gonna hit about 15 minutes. As you can see, already super sweaty, and now we're ready to start the back exercises. So for the first workout, we are going to be doing pull-ups. Yes, back pull-ups, and these are not assisted whatsoever. You're going up and then you're controlling your speed when you're going down, so you can get as much tension on your lats and most of your back. These are amazing. If you want a really nice back, do these. Next we have single dumbbell. I forgot what these are called again, but so right as you can see, I'm in the purple gym. I'm not gonna say their name, but the highest that they go at this particular gym is 75 pounds on the dumbbells, which is very disappointing because I usually do these with a 100-pound dumbbell. So instead of doing 4 sets of 10, I was doing 4 sets of 12 to 15. Next, I usually do the high and lows pulls on these MTS machines. MTS just means you can adjust the weights on each side. So this targets mostly your lats, but your upper back, as you can see. And we're not going fast. Everything has to be controlled. So as you can see, I'm going back and I'm going up slowly. Back, stop, up slowly, so you can get as much tension on your back. It's not about the speed or the reps, it's about the quality of the workout. Right now I'm doing single arms, working out my mostly my lats. If you're trying to get that cobra look, I don't know if you guys know what a cobra look is, but it's when your lats come out and you can see them, they're visible. This is a very good workout to do that. And if you can't get this machine, then you can sit on the cable machine and do them on the cable machine as well, seated. This is just another angle. To be honest, I was contemplating whether if I want to release this video or not, because it was very hard recording at this gym. I just didn't have the best experience at this gym. Let's just leave it at that. But I knew that I needed to put out a video, so I tried my best. As you can see, it's really working out the lats on the side to get you those cobra fangs. And it is quite heavy. That's why I'm sweating. I think I'm doing 100 pounds on each side, and then 50 for the single arm pull downs. So this video is a little shorter than usual. I tried recording the whole full workout, but y'all, it just didn't work. There's too many people there. The machines they didn't have too many machines. It looks like the purple gym just has a whole bunch of cardio machines. And I get it. For the price you pay monthly, it makes sense. But I would not recommend this gym to people who take weightlifting serious, because their machines are not that many or too much of high quality. These ones are my favorite. I might have to do another video on these. This works out. So I do the high, the low, and the medium or mid pulls. And this just works out your back, on the sides of your back, and also that midsection as well. As you can see, the muscles there. I did try to record the bottom, but it just didn't work. So now you guys are only gonna get the top and mid. Ooh, look at that back. Yes, sir. It's all controlled speed. You're going slow, and then you're stopping at the back. And then these are my favorite for the lats. This is how I got the Cobra Fangs, actually. It took about 2 years for them to fully pop out. Well, they haven't fully popped out, but Cobra Fangs, they make your stomach look smaller, and they also pop out your pectorals, and your biceps and triceps also look bigger when your lats come out. So if you want to look big in general, start working on your lats, your Cobra Fangs. As you can see, I do lean all the way forward, but I don't lean all the way back. In the back, I stay in the L position. I pull all the way back, as in I pull the machine back, but I stay in the L position. For these, I also do, I think I was doing almost 200 or 200 and something. I'm not sure, but it's go heavy or go home. I don't go to the gym to play around. So since these are my favorites, I wanted to make sure you guys kind of get to see like all the angles and stuff and what muscles it's working on the back. Look at that. It's already have a huge pump. Veins already popping. This is the ultimate back exercise for me. And then I superset them to get the maximum effect on my back. Yes, sir. What's next? All right, for the last one, these are pull downs, back pull downs. This was the best angle I got from all the videos I recorded. So you guys are only gonna get one. But this also works out your traps up there, your lower back, your mid back, all of it, and some of your shoulders as well. So this is a really good workout to finish your back day workout. And that's it. These are the books I've read. See y'all next week. Peace.